If you are facing the issue of sticking during the tablet coating process, how you can prevent the sticking during tablet coating process? In this video, we will discuss the prevention of tablet sticking or the guide of preventing tablet sticking by simply 3 steps. Mean if you follow the 3 steps, you can prevent the tablet sticking during the tablet coating process. What are these 3 steps? These are very basic steps of the tablet coating process, and if you are not familiar, mean if you are a pharmacist or a coating technician or a coating operator and want to deep dive into the learning of preventing the tablet sticking defect, then you are at the right place, because these 3 steps are the basic key to prevent the sticking problem. If you understand the science of these 3 steps, you will never observe sticking during the tablet coating in your product. So before starting this video, if you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press the subscribe button. And now let's start our video. What are these 3 points? These 3 points are the temperature, flow rate and pan speed. Mean sticking can be prevented by maintaining or by synchronizing the 3 points. So how tablet sticking occur? Sticking main reason is the reduction of the temperature. Temperature may be of 2 types. One is the tablet bed temperature, mean temperature of the surface of the tablets, and the second one is the inlet air temperature. These two have direct relation, mean if our inlet air has less temperature, our tablet surface temperature will also be low. So this one is the main causative agent for the tablet sticking. Whenever your inlet air temperature will fall down, your tablet surface temperature will also fall down and the tablet sticking defect will be observed. Why? Because you are applying the spray at the same rate which was set at the desired temperature. But if your temperature is dropped, the spray rate is still high, so your tablet surface become cool down, and due to this reduction of the tablet bed temperature or tablet surface temperature, tablets starts to adhere or stick with each other, and due to the reduction of this tablet surface temperature, the tablet sticking defect is observed. Second one is the flow rate. Mean suppose that our temperature is maintained at a specific point, but our flow rate is increased. Mean we enhance our flow rate at the specified temperature. When we increase the flow rate, our tablet bed temperature will tend to decrease, because more amount of solvent is applied but the amount of heat is still the same. Due to this reason, the tablet sticking defect will also be observed. The third point is the pan speed. Mean if you reduce your pan speed but your spray rate is still the high, so when you reduce the pan speed, the dwell time or contact time or solution receiving time by the tablets is increased. Mean more solvent is received by each tablet, but the tablets are not dried so quickly, due to which the tablet sticking defect is observed. So how to prevent the tablet sticking? By synchronizing these 3 parameters. How we will create a sync between these 3 factors? Whenever your tablet bed temperature is decreased, first attempt of your must be to increase the tablet bed temperature. But if you are not able to increase the tablet bed temperature, the second alternate choice for you is to decrease the flow rate till the level at which your tablet bed temperature must be sufficient enough to evaporate the solvent. Mean whenever you create a sink between these 2 points, you will never observe the tablet sticking defect. When the temperature is reduced or temperature is decreased, flow rate must also be reduced, and whenever you increase the temperature, in the same way the flow rate will also be increased. Otherwise you will observe the defect of weight loss or coating material loss. So the third point is the pan speed. Mean your pan speed must also be sync with the flow rate. Mean if you are increasing your flow rate but you are not increasing the pan speed, each tablet will receive higher amount of the coating solution. Whenever you enhance the flow rate of your coating suspension, with the same ratio also increase the pan speed, because whenever you increase the flow rate, more suspension is applied to the tablets, and if the tablet speed will not be increased by increasing the pan speed, the solvent over tablet surface will not be properly dried and sticking defect will be observed. So to create a sync between these two parameters, whenever you enhance the flow rate, also gradually enhance the pan speed. So by creating the sync between these 3 points, you will never observe the tablet sticking defect. One key point or key point for you is to increase the temperature, flow rate and pan speed gradually. Mean slowly increase each parameter, then for a few moment or for a few minutes observe its effect. When there is no harmful effect of your increased parameters on the product quality, then increase further, and in this way step by step increase your temperature, flow rate and pan speed till the level at which you can achieve the best quality of the tablets during the coating process. If you like the video, share it to other, subscribe my channel, also visit my website pharmainform.com. Till the next video, Allah Hafiz.